How to download any Pokemon game on a school Chromebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up any of your web application from your PC and at the top search bar type in GBA Games Download. As you do so, you will see GBA ROMs Download. Simply click onto the official website at the first search result, then you will land onto this page. From here, select the Pokemon game that you would like to download and simply click on to download. Once the installation is completed, let's go ahead and open up our File Explorer. Go onto the Downloads tab, and from there, you will see the game that you just downloaded. Click onto it, then click on to Extract All. Once you do so, you can install this game in your PC and play it. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.